working as assistant professor in H&S at Laksha Institute of Technology and Sciences. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about analysis of flue gases by RSAT method. First of all, what are flue gases? Flue gases means the mixture of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen and nitrogen. These are coming out from combustion chamber are called flue gases. These are analyzed by RSAT method. The main aim of RSAT method is used to measure the how much amount of CO2 is released, how much amount of CO is released, how much amount of oxygen and nitrogen is released from combustion chamber. By using RSAT apparatus, we can determine all these gases. RSAT apparatus consists of long horizontal tube having three-way stopcock at one end and graduated burette at the other end. The lower end of the burette is connected to a water reservoir. The burette is surrounded by water jacket. The other end of the burette is connected to a three series of absorption bulbs. First bulb containing potassium hydroxide solution and second bulb containing pyrogallic acid solution and third bulb containing ammonical cuprous chloride solution. Now the stopcock is further connected to a U-shaped tube having flue gases. From combustion chamber, the flue gases are directly sent into this U-shaped tube. Now the three-way stopcock is opened. The flue gases are directly sent into the burette. Why? Because all the absorption bulbs having stopcocks. These stopcocks are closed. That's why the flue gases are directly entered into this burette. Then the stopcock is closed. If we increasing the water level, the gas is forced into the first absorption bulb as its stopcock is opened. Now CO2 get absorbed in this first absorption bulb. Here we place a known amount of KOH solution. The weight of KOH solution before absorption and the weight of KOH solution after CO2 absorbed. There is an increase in the weight of KOH bulb. Next, the unabsorbed gas will be taken into the burette. Then the stopcock is closed. Next, we increase the water level. The gas is forced into the second absorption bulb. Its stopcock is opened. Here, pyrogallic acid solution is placed. It absorbs O2 gas. O2 gas is absorbed. The remaining unabsorbed gas will be taken into burette. The stopcock is closed. Next, we increasing the water level. The gas is forced into the third absorption bulb. Here we placed ammonical cuprous chloride solution. It absorbs CO gas. The remaining unabsorbed gas is in the burette is taken as nitrogen. The main aim of this method is to conclusion that how much amount of CO2 is released, how much amount of CO, how much amount of O2 and N2 released. Here there is an increase in the weights of bulbs. That's why there is a chance to determine the CO2 is how much absorbed, CO is absorbed, N2 is absorbed or O2 is absorbed. Here the amount of CO2 is high, complete combustion takes place. The amount of CO is high, incomplete combustion takes place and less sufficient of oxygen is supplied. The amount of oxygen is high, more amount of oxygen is supplied. This is the RSAT method and thank you.
Hello everyone.